What is the express response object for REST APIs? Have you ever wondered how your favorite applications send data back to your device? Today, we will uncover the role of the express response object in building REST APIs with Express. This object is essential for handling HTTP responses in your applications. The express response object, often called RAISE, is what your application uses to send back information after receiving a request. It allows you to control what data and status codes are sent to the client. This makes it a key component in server-side logic for REST APIs. At its core, the response object enables you to send data in various formats. You can send strings, JSON objects, or even binary data. This flexibility is crucial for meeting the needs of different clients. You can also set HTTP status codes to indicate the outcome of a request. For instance, a status code of 200 means success, while a 400 status code indicates a client error. This helps clients understand what happened with their request. Another important feature of the response object is the ability to modify HTTP headers. You can control aspects like caching, content type, and cookies. This is particularly useful for optimizing performance and managing client expectations. If you need to redirect a client to a different URL, the response object makes that easy too. You can use the redirect method to guide users where they need to go. Ending the response process correctly is also vital. The response object provides a method to finalize the response without sending any additional data. This ensures that your application behaves as expected. Some commonly used methods of the express response object include sending data with raise send, which automatically sets the appropriate content type. If you want to send a JSON response, you can use raise JSON. This is particularly handy in REST APIs, where JSON is the standard format for data exchange. You can also set the HTTP status code using raise status. This method allows you to indicate whether a request was successful or if there was an error. For example, if you create a new resource successfully, you can respond with a status code of 201. In a typical route handler, the response object is used to send data back after processing a request. For example, when a client makes a GET request, you might retrieve data from a database and return it as JSON using raise JSON. Using the response object effectively allows backend developers to manage server output clearly. It simplifies the process of handling HTTP responses, so you can focus on the logic of your API without getting bogged down in the details of raw HTTP. In summary, the express response object is your main tool for sending responses to clients in REST APIs. It offers a variety of methods to set status codes, headers, and response bodies in a straightforward manner. This makes building REST APIs with Express both accessible and efficient.